Good morning students, welcome back. I am Rajni Bhatt, your political science teacher. Students, as we know that nowadays we are doing the chapter nationalism, which is the last chapter of your political science. In previous sessions we came to know about the definition of nationalism. Then we came to know about different functions, which can be done by the people under nationalism. After that, we came to know about different examples which we took from history to get the knowledge about nationalism. How the different people from different countries fought with the help of nationalism to get their independence back, to get their fundamental rights back. Then we came to know about the different obstacles in the way of nationalism. Means what can be the different problems which can be faced by nationalism or which can be harmful for the progress of nationalism, and we can say that by which nationalism cannot be able to work systematically. Now the last subtopic which we have to discuss today is different features of nationalism. Students, under this last subtopic we will come to know about the different features of nationalism, by which we can understand, yes, that people are going to work with the sense of nationalism. So these features will help us to know that yes, really nationalism is going on in a particular country. So what are these features? Now we have to discuss. So let's start with our today's subtopic. So different features of nationalism. Students, you guess first, what can be the different features of nationalism? If in a country people have the sense of nationalism, so what can be the symptoms, what can be the features? So first is nationalism provides political identification. Yes, beta, this is a fact, this is truth. With the help of nationalism, yes, we can have a kind of political identification. Yes, we know that, we belong to this particular country. We have to work for the progress of this country. We have to take care of this particular country where we used to live. We have kind of citizenship. In our previous chapter, we came to know about that beta. So this political identification, yes, we can feel, we can have with the help of nationalism beta. So this nationalism brings this feeling in us that yes, we belong to this particular country, we are the citizens of this particular country, we have to work for this particular country. So this kind of feeling, if we have, so it means nationalism is going on in a very proper way in a particular country. Second, political boundaries. Yes, beta. Nationalism we can feel when we have political boundaries, beta. Yes, again it is related to your first point. See, we know that the boundaries of the countries provide limitation to the people of those particular countries. Beta, we don't have right to interfere in the working process of other countries. We know the boundaries, we know the limitations, and we have to take care of all these things, and nationalism helps a lot to us for working in this way according to these situations. So nationalism provides the political boundaries also beta. Again, it's related to the devotion towards the country beta. We know that this is our boundary, we have to work inside our country. We have to work for the development of our country. We don't have to interfere in other countries' work. Okay? Even we don't have a right to expand the boundaries. Okay? And this kind of sense we can have when we have the sense of nationalism, when we love our country, when we respect our country. Only then we can love and respect other countries also, beta. We know the importance of the political boundaries. Now next is different ideals. Yes, beta. Different ideals, beta. Okay. Nationalism. We know that, beta. For the sense of nationalism, for the rising of the sense of nationalism, beta, we know that many people, they used to devote their whole life. They used to sacrifice their lives. Okay. And these people become a source of motivation and inspiration for others to work for the welfare and goodness of the country and country people, beta. So nationalism gives us this blessing also, that we have different people who give us knowledge, who give us or who provide us direction to move on the way of nationalism, where we have to take care of our country, where we have to work for the welfare and goodness of our country people. So, different ideals we can have if we have the sense of nationalism. This is also a very major feature of nationalism, beta. Now, next is sense of self-determination. Yes, beta. Nationalism helps us to have the sense of self-determination individually. Each and every person takes care of his or her responsibility towards the country, beta. Okay? We get the motivation to have firm determination that yes, we have to work for the development of our country. We have to protect our country. Anyhow, we have to get ready to defend our country. We don't have give permission to outsiders to come in our country for creating chaos or problems. So individually, each and every person of the country takes care of that, and this self-determination comes with the help of nationalism, beta. Okay, now next is nationalism and diversity. Yes, beta. In our previous sessions also we discussed about that. If we have the sense of nationalism, we know very well how to take care of diversities in our country, beta. And India is very well known for its diversity all over the world. But we know how to maintain unity with these diversities, beta. Okay? All the people with the different religions, languages, caste, communities, tradition, culture in country India used to live with unity, love, peace, harmony, care, respect. And all this has become possible just because of sense of nationalism, beta. We know that. First we are Indians, then we have different states, languages, religions, communities. All these things are secondary. The primary thing is we are Indians. We have the same country, that is India. And this sense we can have when we have nationalism. Nationalism helps a lot to think in this way, beta. Now, next is nationalism Beta, this is similar to your fifth point. Okay, nationalism and diversity, nationalism and pluralism. Okay, see beta, pluralism means we have many things. Plural means many things, many. So if we are taking the point nationalism and pluralism, so it means nationalism takes care of difference which we have on different basis. We have different languages, plural thing is coming here. We have different communities, castes, we have different tradition and culture, we have different languages. So all these are the part of pluralism. So nationalism takes care of pluralism in a very proper way, beta. Excuse me. If we have the sense of nationalism, so we can be able to take care of this pluralism in a perfect way. We will not discriminate anyone on these bases, beta, which are secondary. Okay? We never give priority to all these things which are the part of pluralism. We only take care of one thing, a singular thing, that is we are Indians. We belong to a same country, that is India. Okay, and this way of thinking we get with the help of sense of nationalism, beta. So in today's session, beta, we discussed the last subtopic of the chapter nationalism, where we came to know about the different features of nationalism. How can we understand that the people of a particular country are totally nourished by the sense of nationalism. Okay, and these features are political identification for the people of that particular country, then political boundaries a particular country can have, then different ideas people can have with the help of nationalism in the particular country, sense of self-determination. People start thinking individually to work for the welfare and goodness of the country where they live. Okay, so this way of thinking comes with them with the help of nationalism, beta. Next is nationalism and diversity. Okay, if a country has the people, where people have the sense of nationalism, so all the people know very well how to respect the different diversities, how to take care of these diversities. Now, last is nationalism and pluralism. Okay, it means we have many things in our country, but if we have the sense of nationalism, we cannot discriminate people on these diversities or plural things. Okay, so that's all for today's session, beta. We will meet again in our next session with some revision work. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.